How to read a coordinate sheet. So it's important you all know how to read this coordinate sheet because it'll make life go much easier with 170 of you on the field. You got to know what you're doing here. So I've got Layla's coordinate sheet for pregame. So this is what her coordinate sheet for pregame will look like. Information at the top. Get your name. And then it tells you your symbol and label, which when we're in parade formation, she's O1. So her rank number is O1. And obviously it's from pregame over here. So there are 5 different positions Layla will have to learn for pregame. And all the information you need is on this in 2 sets. You've got this set here, okay, which is the side to side, and this set, which is the front to back. So this says high school to scoreboard, this says home to visitor. So when you're out on the field, you either are on the high school side of the field, which as you're on the field looking at the audience, the high school side of the field is your right, and the scoreboard side is your left. So for instance, Layla will start pregame on the high school side of the field. So that would be the side of the field closest to the high school, right on the 30-yard line. That's her side to side spot. So we'll find the side of the field that's closest to the high school and then the 30-yard line. So we know she's on that 30-yard line. Now the front to back, it says 4 steps behind the home hash. So there are 2 sets of hash marks on the field. One is closer to the visitor side, one is closer to the home side. There's also the sidelines, right? So this will refer to either the sideline on the home side, the hash marks on the home side, the hash marks on the visitor side, or the sideline on the visitor side. So when it says behind, that means towards the visitor side, behind, okay? And then in front would be towards the home side. So she is going to go to the 30-yard line on the high school side of the field, find the home hash, and go 4 steps behind it. So away from the home crowd. And that is her spot. Side to side, she's on the 30-yard line. Front to back, she's 4 steps behind the home hash. Right? Look at her next page. This is the same. That means she is going straight across the field because her front to back doesn't change. Her side to side will change. She's now on the other side of the field, the scoreboard side of the field. Also the 30-yard line, but this is the different 30-yard line. This is the scoreboard side. So she's moved across the entire field from page 1 to page 2. Okay? I'm going to skip down to her last page here. So front to back or side to side, she's on the scoreboard side of the field. She's 4 steps outside of the 30. So she's got to find that 30-yard line, which she's been around, right? She's going to go 4 steps outside. So that means she's going away from the middle. So outside means away from the 50. So she'll go 4 steps away from the 30-yard line and then 10.5 steps behind the home sideline. So she'll find the sideline closest to the home side, take 10.5 steps back, and that's her spot. 4 steps outside the 30 on the scoreboard side of the field, 10.5 steps behind the sideline on the home side of the field. So you've got 2 coordinates. You've got this side-to-side coordinate, front-to-back coordinate. Basically your Y and your X if you're a geometry fan. So that's how you read a coordinate sheet.